Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube channel Our Home to Yours. This is the ninth day of Dasara year 2020. So this year Mahadurgashtami and Mahanavami coming in mixed in 2 days and Mahanavami and Vijayadashmi are on Sunday too. So today we celebrated Durgashtami and Mahanavami. So before I go to Mahanavami Saraswati Puja, I want to show you about our Golu main theme Meenakshi Kalyanam. More detailed video. This year, like in the other video, the first video I said, we chose the theme Meenakshi Kalyanam because of the COVID situation. Many of my family and my friends' kids' marriage, they did very simple way. So marriage in our custom and culture, mostly it comes only one time. So we have to celebrate and enjoy the kids' wedding. So I pray to Goddess Meenakshi, so the COVID has to go away. They have to get rid of it so that we can enjoy and celebrate all the festivals and all the events. So here Meenakshi in the middle, and to her left side Somasundarar, and right side Meenakshi's brother Vishnu. He is giving away the bride. In Tamil we call Tharai Vartal. So he is doing that for the famous wedding. All the birds, animals, all goddesses, everybody is here. Peacock, hummingbird, their Vagana Rishabham, bull, and then elephant, and all the birds like swan, peacock, everybody, cats, elephants, the dogs, everything, peacock, parrots. Meenakshi's favorite is parrot, and all the birds, everybody's here. And Shiva Parvati's son, God Ganesha and Lord Muruga, Subramanya, they are here. And Krishna also here, and from Guruvayurappan also came. And so here the traditional Tamil wedding music, the Nadaswaram, they are playing the music, and here is the real wedding of the human wedding, the people. So here the bride, groom, and bride's parents and groom's parents and groom's brother and bride's sister, they are standing, and then the priest Panditji is sitting in the middle, Havan. And in Tamil culture we do put the uh, bride's feet on the, this called, we call it ammi. We used to grind on this one, and the groom will put the toe ring. So why she has to put the feet on the stone? Because she has to be like a stone. She has to hold the family. If anything happens, she has to be the strongest person in the family. So to tell her that, they put her feet on the stone. And then this side, the girls family, they are bringing all the gifts, the seed. And in front of the ladies, again they are playing Nadaswaram. That's a traditional music. And on the girls side, boys side, the groom side, there are the band people, they are playing. And in between the groom and bride, there is one lady standing and holding the lamp. She is the sister of the groom in our custom and culture. The sister has to stand behind the new couple, hold the lamp. This is the scene, the Meenakshi Kalyanam. Now to Mahanavami and Mahasaraswati. This Mahasaraswati is from a small city or village called Kuttanur that is located in Tiruvarur district in Tamil Nadu. This Saraswati temple is very old, like in 12th century temple. It's very famous. This temple was built by Rajaraja Chola II. Here, why the place called Kuttanur? There was a poet called Ottakuthar. He was the court poet for Rajaraja Chola, and that poet was given darshan by Mahasaraswati, this village, and he was blessed by Mahasaraswati, and after that only he became very famous poet in Tamil. After that, the king gave this village to him and then named it Kuttanur. After his name Kuttan, Ur means city. Kuttan Ur. So this Saraswati temple is very famous, and for the Mahanavami, Vijayadashmi, they do big celebrations. So everybody goes there to get their kids blessed by Maha Saraswati. For Maha Navami, the Saraswati Puja, we have to put all the kids' books and then our business books, check books, and if the kids are learning any musical or dance, so we can put the chalanga. And I teach Bharatanatyam, so I put my musical instrument. It's called Nattuvangam, and here also I put the Nattuvangam and books for my kids and pencils, everything we can keep it and get the blessing from Goddess Saraswati. Today all three Shaktis, Parvati, Saraswati, Lakshmi, they joined and they become Durga, and they killed the demon Mahishasuran, and Durga become Mahishasura Mardini. Today we can say Mahishasura Mardini Sloka or any Durga Sloka, and Saraswati and Lalita Slokas. So I am going to give all the slokas we can say in the description box. So please, if I don't mention, check my description box also. Please check my description box because I don't want to make the video bigger. So I will write some information and sloka names in the description box. Now I am going to say a small Gayatri for Goddess Saraswati. Om Vagdevyayasa Vidmahi Viranji Pandanaisya Dhimahi Tanno Vani Prachodayat. Another small sloka. Om Saraswati Namastubhyam Varde Kamarubini Vidyarambam Karishyami Siddhir Bhavatu Me Sata. So I am going to list few sloka names, so you could read them. If you need any help, you want to know the slokas, please post it in the comment box so that I can write them in the next video. So please everybody take haldi, kumkum and achada and small gift. Wish you all happy Navaratri, and for all the kids, wish them long, happy, healthy life and all their dream comes true. And may Goddess Durga, Lakshmi, Saraswati bless them with all the success. Thank you for watching my video, and thank you for coming to my house virtually for the Navaratri. Wish you all the best.